Fit check. Fit check. You might notice the slight difference between last week's video and this week's video. It might take you a minute to get it, but just look around, you might be able to see the difference. Did you get it yet? It's the snow. And it came in with a big, warm, welcoming hug. Meaning it knocked out our power for over 24 hours the day before Thanksgiving. All is good though. I'm just glad that the high winds are over because that was obviously the nastiest part about the whole thing. But that's also why we're here doing what we are doing right now. Not because it's Saturday and my video should be posted tomorrow, Sunday, but because I want to go exploring in the woods. Yeah, so we got a lot of rain and then it froze and we got a lot of wind and we got a lot of snow. So there's a lot of frozen white trees everywhere. And I was told some of the trails may not be passable. So I'm gonna go exploring with Stella today and the GoPro, hence this whole setup here. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. First time using this setup, but I'm dressed for the occasion. I'm not gonna be cold. I've got my nice winter snow pants that aren't gonna get wet. I don't know what I'm doing. Link is in the description along with my winter boots. If you're struggling to find winter apparel that actually works and is suitable for riding, then you might want to check these pants out. I've talked about them before. I've been wearing them for like 5 years now, so that just sums up how good these are. You can get them in Amazon. To be completely honest, the only reason I became an Amazon affiliate was because of these snow pants. Just saying. I got them like 5 years ago. I love them. They work for absolutely anything. I can do anything in them. And I wanted to brag about them. So that's why I became an Amazon affiliate. So I could tell you guys about these snow pants. Okay? I'm not even gonna bother tacking Stella up. We're riding bareback today. I'm riding in a halter today. This is our first time riding in the snow. Is that stupid? Possibly. But you know what? I don't know what I was gonna say. Let's go explore some snowy trails. Okay. Everything is harder with gloves on. I don't want to jump on with my GoPro. I need something to mount with. Brush. Okay, horsey. Let's hopefully this doesn't roll away. Oh, there you go. We did it! Good girl. What do you think? Good girl, come in. Good girl. It's so pretty in here. Good. It's so pretty. Good job. Okay. Good girl. Come in. Good girl. Come in. Sneak in here. Come on. Come on. Good job. Oh, excuse you. Got to check out every tree, huh? Come on. Good job. Good job. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Good girl. Good girl. Come in. Come in. Good girl. Come in. Good girl. What do you think? Okay. Whoa! Oh God. These pants are slippery. Good job. Come on, horsey. Good job. There we go. Good girl. Good job. Good girl. Oh boy. What do you think about this one, huh? What do you think about that? You get a running start or we go around? Back up. Good job. Good girl. Good girl. What do you think? Okay, fine. Turn around. Oh. Ah. Calm down. Good job. Go. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Oh. 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 Good girl. Oh. We didn't quite make it down the whole trail just because there are so many fallen over trees with a lot of snow. I'm quite covered in it already. And Stella is getting more and more nervous about the whole thing. So we just turned around a little bit early, but it was still fun. We even got to jump a couple fallen trees, which was fun even though I almost lost it. These snow pants are pretty great for riding in, but they are a little bit slippery, but not much different than normal like riding breeches that don't have like the grippies on the butt. So I do love them for riding, and they're a lot better than like your normal slippery kind of snow pants. But that was fun. I kind of wish I made it down the whole trail, but Stella wanted to turn around, and I wasn't gonna fight with her the whole way. So I would not have done that if it wasn't for the fact that I needed to post a video for tomorrow. So thanks guys for making me freeze my hands off. Okay, but my hands literally are freezing. So bye.